Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to log into your SoFi account with a straightforward step-by-step guide for beginners. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will take you through the simple process of logging into your SoFi account step by step, so you can manage your finances with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Then navigate to the official SoFi website by typing www.sofi.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner for the login button. Click or tap the login button, which will direct you to the sign-in page. Here you will see two fields, one for your username and one for your password. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address or username in the first field. Make sure you enter it accurately without any extra spaces. Next, type your password carefully in the password field. If you are using a public or shared computer, be cautious and avoid saving your login information. After entering your credentials, click the sign-in button to access your account. If the details are correct, you will be taken to your SoFi account dashboard, where you can view your loans, investment, accounts, credits, and manage your payments. In case you forgot your password, simply click the Forgot Password link located near the password field. You will be prompted to enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Follow the instructions in the email to set a new password. If you do not have a SoFi account yet, you can create one by clicking the sign up option on the login page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and create a strong password. Once done, follow the prompts to verify your identity and set up your profile. That's all it takes to log into your SoFi account easily. As a beginner, you are now ready to explore all the financial tools and resources SoFi offers to help you achieve your goals. Remember to always log out from your account after you finish your session, especially when using devices that others can access. Be sure to keep your login credentials confidential to protect your personal information.